try to make you understand. This isn't how it's meant to be. I'm not the one that's holding on to something that's already gone. And I'm just trying to make things work. You always try to rock the boat.